Okay, so hi everyone. In this video, I will tell you how you can take benefit from ongoing SEO course on this channel and how you can make profit from this course. And I will tell you some ways also to make money online at home without doing anything by your own. All you have to do is just give command and your PC, laptop or mobile phone will do the rest of work and you will earn from that. Okay, so let's start the video. So to make you understand more clearly, I just take you to the world's most famous freelancing website, Fiverr.com. If you didn't know yet what Fiverr is, it is world's famous international freelancing platform where millions of freelancers are working and making thousands of dollars per month. If you didn't believe, let me show you the proof. So search anything like web development. So Fiverr.com is automatically showing what people are searching here. Website development. Okay, just click here. Okay, so there are 26,830 services are available. So people are selling their services here, and this much amount of services are available here on Fiverr.com. So if you just go through the first advertisement, this is called gig. Basically it is a kind of advertisement where I will design and develop a modern responsive word. This is his prices, $115 per order, and these are the 1k plus. These are the reviews people have given to this gig, and these are the ratings people have given to this guy. So can you count on calculator? 115 multiply by 1000 because it is 1000 plus I'm just picking lesser one. Okay, it is $1,15,000. Can you imagine? This guy has earned at least this much of amount from Fiverr.com. Now let's just talk about this guy. $95 multiply by 269. This guy has placed 269 orders. This guy has earned $95,269 from this Fiverr.com. If we talk about this guy, he is selling his service for $300. 300 multiply by 129. These are the orders that are completed by the owner of this gig. 129. This guy has earned $38,700 from this gig only. There are 7 gigs which are allowed per account. So particularly he has earned this much of amount from this gig only. So can you imagine? So it is the best website for freelancers. If you have any skill, then you can earn from Fiverr.com. But if you don't have any skill, then in this video I will tell you a free way how you can earn money from Fiverr.com. So let me just tell you. If you search here SEO report, there are 3,319 services are available here for this keyword. So basically you have to choose a keyword whose competition is low. For this keyword the competition is not that very high. So if we search SEO report, website SEO report, just let's check what is the competition for this gig. 30,827 services are available. So the competition for this keyword is very high. So we won't be picking this keyword. We will pick only that previous one keyword, SEO report. So in order to make money online just for free without doing anything, you can create a gig on this keyword and you can earn money without doing anything. Now how we can provide SEO report about how to make a SEO report? No, you don't have to make any SEO report. A free tool will make a report for you. Okay, so in order to make that SEO report, I'm going to reveal the free tool name here. So in order to make the SEO report of any website, just come here. The tool name is seoanalyzer.me. Just type the website name, any website name for which you want to make the SEO report. Like I'm typing .com. I'm just typing the website name just for randomly. Now it has given the complete SEO detail of that website. Now can you see the Forbes length 6 characters, H1 headings, नोल्ड, कीवर्ड्स क्लाउड कैसा है इसका, पेड फ्रीक्वेंसी कैसी है, टाइटल कैसा है, अच्छा है नहीं है, और ये सब टेक्स्ट कंटेंट साइज कितना है, कितना होना चाहिए, ये सब चीज़ें, डोमेन किस चीज़ से जुड़ी हुई है, यूआरएल रीराइट, ये सब इसने पूरी इसकी कंप्लीट एसईओ रिपोर्ट आपको दी. नाउ ऑल यू नीड टू डू इज जस्ट डाउनलोड द रिपोर्ट. Just download from here, option just forbes.com. I have saved this free report from here. Okay, so now I will make a free gig on fiverr.com, and in that gig I will provide a full SEO report of your website like these people have made. I will create a full SEO audit report. I'll provide SEO report, SEO competitors report. I will do a premium SEO report like this. You can also make a free gig here. Just make a free account, just join, become a seller and make a free account and post your gig, and then you can also sell your orders for $20, $60, $5, $25. People are selling their orders, and yes, this person has completed 927 orders for this particular command. This person has completed 787 orders. This person has completed 268 orders. So like this. And the competition is not that very high. Only 3,000 gigs are available here for this keyword, so you can easily rank on this keyword if you make a gig. Okay, so I've completed one way to make money online. Download your free report from here, seoanalyzer.com, and then make a free account on fiverr.com, post your gig, and then sell your service. But my suggestion would be first start your gig from $5, because the lesser price you have, the more orders you will get. But initially you have to make some extra efforts in order to earn from fiverr.com. You have to work on SEO of your gig. You have to promote it on social media platforms. The least but not the last, you have to be patient. If you are working on your Fiverr gig, then definitely you will get orders. All you need to do is just get first review if your account is newly made. आप अपना पहला रिव्यू कैसे ले सकते हो, उसके लिए आप इंटरनेट पर देख सकते हो ब्लॉग्स और बाकी वीडियोस जिसमें बताया गया होगा, और बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, तरीके हैं जो YouTube की पॉलिसी अलाउ नहीं करती बताना, बट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड. What else you can do is when you have learned, you have gained the knowledge of complete SEO, you can sell that service also on fiverr.com, like SEO. If you search SEO service or simply SEO, just check how many results are showing. It is saying that I will do on page SEO optimization, I will do monthly SEO service. So आप भी अपनी SEO की सर्विस यहाँ फाइवर पे भी सेल कर सकते हो. So एक गिग आप इसकी भी बना सकते हो कि I will do SEO of your website, SEO of your YouTube channel. So आप पर वीडियो का $5 $10 चार्ज कर सकते हो. And another method is you can just come to YouTube and search any channel like United States cooking. Why I'm taking United States? Because in United States they people will pay you in dollars, and dollar prices will be okay. So just click on filters and click on rating. So only those channel will come under searches which have less views. Just open whatever you want, like I'm opening this one. Go to about section and see whether they have provided their email address or not. So yes, this person has provided a social media link. So if yes, this person has provided his email address, just click on view email. You have the email address of this person. Now you can mail him saying that I have watched your, चूँकि मैंने आपका चैनल देखा और गो थ्रू किया, तो आपके चैनल की ये रिपोर्ट मुझे मिली, और उसकी रिपोर्ट आप seoanalyzer.com.me से यहाँ से डाउनलोड करके इसे मेल में भेज सकते हो. फिर आप उसे कह सकते हो कि आपकी वीडियोस पे व्यू नहीं आ रहे, और बिकॉज 5 व्यूज़ 4 व्यूज़, जबकि ये बंदा वीडियो भी डाल रहा है एक दिन में 4-5 वीडियो पर डे के हिसाब से, तो ऑब्वियसली ही विल हायर यू फॉर योर सर्विस. सो आप इस तरह से अपनी सर्विस इसे सेल कर सकते हो. ऐसे बहुत सारे चैनल्स होंगे, ऐसे ही आप इसका देख सकते हो. इसने अपनी वेबसाइट प्रोवाइड करी है, आप इसकी वेबसाइट पे जाके मेल कर सकते हो उसे। इसके चैनल में अबाउट सेक्शन में जाके इससे आप इसका भी ईमेल एड्रेस, यस इसका भी आपको ईमेल एड्रेस मिल गया। नाउ जस्ट यू कैन मेल हिम सेइंग दैट I've gone through your channel and I have seen that your title is not correct or your description is not SEO friendly, something like that। फिर आप उसको चाहो तो SEO जो रिपोर्ट आप उस वेबसाइट से डाउनलोड करोगे वो उसे सेंड करके, ताकि उस बंदे का ट्रस्ट आपके अंदर बिल्ड हो जाए कि हाँ इस बंदे को SEO आता है, कि उसने पूरी डिटेल्ड रिपोर्ट मुझे भेज दी, तो आप उसे सेंड कर सकते हो। फिर वो आपको हायर कर सकता है। आई थिंक आप अगर 5 से 10 लोगों को मेल डालोगे तो 4 से 5 आपको पॉजिटिव रिस्पॉन्स देंगे, ऑब्वियसली देंगे, बिकॉज दे भी विल नीड समवन। बिकॉज ये लोग काफ़ी स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं, काफ़ी एफर्ट्स दे रहे हैं वीडियोस बनाने में, थंबनेल्स और सब कुछ बनाने में, बट इनके व्यूज़ नहीं आ रहे, सो ऑब्वियसली दे विल हायर यू। ओके, सो दैट्स हाउ यू कैन सेल योर सर्विस ऑन fiverr.com। आई टोल्ड यू हाउ यू कैन sell the service of SEO report on fiverr.com, and in that service you don't need to do any hard work. You have to just copy and paste the work from that free website to here. Okay, and I told you another method also, like you are learning SEO course here, then after complete learning of that SEO course, just provide the service on fiverr.com, and you can do one thing also, just search for the low views channel on YouTube and who are struggling on YouTube, so just find them and contact them that I have gone through your channel and your videos have this much of problem and your title is not SEO friendly, your tags are not that correct and your thumbnail is not that correct, so उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप उनको कन्विंस करके उनको भी अपनी सर्विस प्रोवाइड कर सकते हो। सो डिड यू फाइंड दिस वीडियो यूजफुल फॉर यू? इफ यस, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and like this video to motivate us for making more informational videos for you, and join the world famous freelancing platform Fiverr through link given in description and get the best benefits. Thank you.